G'day, friends. Hello, welcome to the first day of MERMAY. Steve literally gave me a note just before I started. It's so rude. I'm keeping that in there. I'm calling you out publicly. I'm starting off this series this way. We're getting feisty on this MERMAY 2020. Hello, welcome to MERMAY 2020.
Hi, everybody.
On a whim.
Happy MERMAY.
Yeah, happy MERMAY. I've decided that I will be doing it, and I'm going to be doing short 5-minute videos. We're going to ask one question. Who knows where this is going to go?
Okay.
But it's a 5-minute video, so
Sure.
I want to spark a conversation and then abruptly end it at 5 minutes.
Okay.
So this is our challenge today. Let's see, because I know we both love to chat.
Yes.
And we're both feeling
talkers.
very Genki today. So today, I just wanted to let you know before we even get started, I'm sure if you've read the blog post, MERMAY's coming to you directly on the blog post at jameslukeburke.com. If you want to download today's Mermaid, it will be available for you as well, and you can collect all 31 if you would like to. Got to catch them all, Pokemon.
Ooh.
And so hopefully that's just a nice way for us all to kind of get connected in this MERMAY. I've chosen a really simple graphite, water-activated graphite style for this MERMAY, and I'm really excited to see 31 of them fill that massive piece of watercolor paper.
How fun.
I have not committed to a major piece like this in years, so I'm a little excited to see how it finishes.
James is a little non-committal.
Oh, 100%. A little. That's who I am.
It's like family motto.
If a phrase were a person, I would be the phrase non-committal. Why commit if you don't have to?
No, but
Keeps you safe.
But that's what's so funny though, is that you say you're non-committal, but you are very committed.
I commit, here's the problem, because if I commit, I'm so 1,000% committed that it becomes very stressful for myself and everyone involved.
Well, so there's a little bit of expectation.
I'm horse blinders and I'm totally committed at that point.
No, but you're a hard worker, so I appreciate that about you.
Yeah, look, I could commit to a few more things, but at this point, I'm almost 30. I've made it this far. Like, are you really going to change it? I don't know. It is what it is, Santa. So anyway, today's question, I'm going to spring it on Steve. It's from thoughtcatalog.com. Please feel free to answer it below if you would like to get involved.
Okay.
Answer it in the comments.
I'm a little nervous.
It's number 87 on thoughtcatalog.com. 101 totally random questions.
Uh-huh.
It's, why do you do what you do?
What?
Let's get deep. Steve loves being deep. And just to make matters worse, you've got about 2.5 minutes to tell me.
Why do I do what I do? What does that mean?
Why do you do what you do? I mean,
what does that mean? Like for work, in life?
You choose. I'll start if you want to hop on board my answer.
Okay, go ahead.
I think I do what I do because I can, which is a great privilege. But I'm so curious. Like, I think half the things I do, I'm just curious about it. I don't think I even like doing it. I just want to know if I can or if I could. And I have this weird, like, achievement complex sometimes that would literally drive me to do random things.
That's like such a number 3. That's pure Enneagram.
Don't
number 3.
Enneagram me out here.
Why do I do what I do? Because I feel like it's just a part of me. Does that make sense? Or is that such a cop-out answer?
I don't know.
It depends on what it is. Like, why do I do...
Why do you take photos?
Because I love to tell stories.
Well, there you go. You're a storyteller.
I am a storyteller. And I think it's also like, why do you perform? I think it's because there's nothing else that I
I'm a raging narcissist.
No. Imagine.
I mean...
No, I mean, like...
Not
why,
too far
why
from
do
the truth,
The
but...
thing is like, I perform because I don't know if there's anything else I could do, but it does, like, encapsulate the whole idea of storytelling.
Yeah. I mean, sorry to echo off this narcissist statement. I don't really mean that. It has been shared to me before that we are, like, when I was a dancer, people would say, like, you have to be pretty narcissistic to need to be clapped every 5 seconds at your job, which is a perk that I miss, to be honest.
I mean, it's hard, right? Because the thing is I think clapping is a form of appreciation, right? It's how we appreciate each other when it comes to performance. I don't know where the derivative of it is, but
on social media, it's a like.
It's a like, right?
Yeah.
But I think everybody likes to feel validated.
I actually met a shy dancer once. I worked with a shy dancer.
Were they good?
It's quite an anomaly. Yeah, she's very good.
So humble but shy?
Mm-hmm. Very humble.
Yeah, but good.
Very humble, very shy. No, like, wouldn't attract attention to herself in public or, like, in settings, but on stage, totally different person, lit up.
Interesting.
Yeah, it was really odd. Because usually people are pretty extroverted, I would say, to be perform. Well, I'm generalizing there.
Sometimes it is what it is.
Sorry, it's been a few years, guys.
No, but anyway, what do I do? Why do I do what I do? Because I love to tell stories. Plain and simple.
Yeah, you lean into what feels natural to you.
What about you?
Curiosity. I'm always curious. Always. I'm, like, honestly, a cat.
Curiosity killed the cat. You are.
That's
Leo.
5 minutes. We made it.
We did it.
There you go. Answer your question below and download the Mermaid if you want it. See you again for another 30. Bye.
Bye.